Okay, one of the things I notice, especially in the summertime, is that I have a harder time feeling like I'm staying hydrated. And I know I've talked to a lot of people that are feeling the same way. One of the problems is a lot of us are not getting enough water because our bodies are not recognizing the quality of the water that we're drinking. So if you're drinking reverse osmosis water or spring water, you're going to be getting hydrated a lot better than if you're drinking bottled water or tap water or even purified water. So a really great, easy way to start getting more water and hydration that your body can actually recognize the structure of is to get it from a natural source like your food. So I have a really delicious, quick and easy, super healthy, super yummy summer salad that you're gonna love, and I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. You get a hothouse cucumber. I have these amazing organic sangria tomatoes, 1 can of hearts of palm, and dice them up, cut them up. I like to make them in different shapes. Some of them are circles, some of them are triangles, as you see. You can also add a really ripe avocado if you want. And you just put them all in a bowl together and toss them around with extra virgin olive oil, some amazing balsamic vinegar. I like this Nelly and Joe's lemon juice, Key West lemon juice, so good. Cracked Himalayan salt and some organic dill. Sprinkle it all in there, toss it around. If you eat dairy or you eat cheese, you can top this with some feta or gorgonzola, and it is so amazing. It's so hydrating and nourishing and filling, and yeah, a great way to stay hydrated here in the summer heat.
Yum, 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 so good.